heavy. I've got an easy job today. We are replacing the battery on our 2012 Ural. Picked up this AJC ATX 20L. Never used them before. Seemed like they had okay reviews, so give it a shot, see how it goes. Okay, so there's 4 Allen bolts, the base of the seat, and it's just a number 5 Allen, and it should be pretty straightforward. Pop off our side cover here. Battery we have in here is probably about 2 or 3 years old, so got our money's worth out of it, I suppose. Now, I've had this bike since 2012, and I think it's only the 3rd battery I've had to put in it. So, not too shabby. Right? The seat should just pop right off, if I remember correctly. Oh, missed. Alright, so with those 4 bolts removed, pops out. They are connected here. Disconnect. Okay, now we should be. Go. Well, maybe we'll remove this guy here too. I had this zip tied on. Our original rubber strap deteriorated over time, so let's do that. We'll pop that one off as well. Alright, well, I just opted to pop the zip ties off, and we're just gonna pull this right down and leave it connected. But yeah, you can see our rubber strap just kind of fell off, so. Not there. Save that. And this just comes off. Couple relays underneath the seat, which we can unplug. 1, 2, and then I do have this pigtail attached here as well, but I think we can just disconnect the terminals and it'll pull out easier that way. Hang on. Alright, so now we just have this bracket, this bolt not going through. We're going to loosen that up, and that battery should pop right out of there. Kind of small. Let's see what size we got. 7, not a 7. 8mm. 8mm. Need a shorter screwdriver. Let's see if we can move this this one, probably not. Those. Got some new hardware. New battery. Oh, looks pretty standard. Of course, they go in a little bit easier than they come out. That's nice. Probably easier if I put the Phillips head side from this way for future. Okay. Oh yeah. Much easier to get there. Got those two, and we got this guy, which I'm gonna move back over here so I'm ready. Already in the right position. And we got our top and our ground. These. I'm just gonna start my hand first. That's good. That all looks good. We will put our Allen bolts back in. Alright, well, looks like I'm out of black zip ties, but these ones will do for now. Put this back on just as a little extra cushion. Next time I go to the hardware store, I'll pick up some heavier duty black ones and call it good. But these will work for now. Okay. Just those. And two, all right, and then put our side cover back on and we should be ready to rock and roll. All right, let's see, we got power, got a headlight, that's a good sign. Put our choke on, I'm just gonna squeeze in my clutch, clear it, hold hand, I suppose.